you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show 'em who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. I am Mr. Clark Griswold, and I am happy to have you guys here. I am happy to be here to bring you guys another video, a learning tool to put into your tool belt to help you guys on your trading journey. So happy day, whatever day it is for you guys, morning, evening, afternoon. I want to go over the 30 and 30 with you guys again. Paul Ituaru on Twitter coined the phrase hashtag 30 and 30. So if you hashtag that on Twitter, you'll find plenty of different tweets on that and information on it. I've got one video out already on it. This will be my second one, just to show you guys again how the 30 and 30 works. It's a great strategy. It keeps you guys patient, okay? And there was a bunch of them. I called them out on Twitter earlier today. I labeled them SPY, AMD, QQQ, and Microsoft were all going to go 30 and 30, or at least had the potential to go 30 and 30, and every single one of them did. Okay, so each one of them is a little bit different, so let's go through them, and I'll show you guys. And I think what I'm going to do here is just go back on a bar replay for you guys, so you can kind of see how this thing developed, okay? So I guess let's go to this bar here. And let's bring this down. So I'm just going to start this, hit the play button. So this is a 30-minute chart. And basically what the 30 and 30 is, guys, is we're playing on the 30-minute chart and looking for about 30%. You don't have to take the 30%. But we're on the 30-minute chart and we're looking at a reversal. Whether it reverses to the upside or it reverses to the downside, it doesn't matter. But we want to see it reverse. The other thing we want to see is this day and this hourly the same color. So you can see right now they're not. Okay, but once we trend down, this hourly is going to turn red. So we'll have the day and the hour are both going to be red. And that's what we want to see if we're going to see this reversal, okay? So I'll play one more bar here just to get us through. This is where the setup starts, okay? So we have a 2 down, a 1, and a 2 up. Now, could you take a reversal here? Yes, you could. But we have this hourly is green, but the day is red, okay? So I don't want to jump into that. I don't want you guys to jump into that. Can you? You can do anything you'd like, but probabilities tells me that at some point this is going to reverse back down because our day is trending down, okay? That's why the time frame continuity is important. And if you're looking for this indicator, I've had a lot of people ask me on Twitter. So if you're watching the video, go into your indicator tab, type in time frame continuity, and it's by Board Rider B. That's the author, okay? And that'll give you this little indicator here. So let's go to the next bar, because this is where the 30 and 30 starts. And I've got the lines on here for you guys. This yellow line becomes your trigger now, okay? So we've gone 2-1, 2 up. We're going to look for a 2-2 reversal on this one, okay? So 2 up, we're going to look for a 2 down bar, okay? So we're looking to pass through this trigger. And I'm not going to go back into the smaller time. I want you guys to stay on the 30. So when we press play, there you go. So we open here, and I think right about, I can't remember where we were. I think even when this 30-minute bar first opened is when I called out all these plays. I gave you guys a list. I said, keep an eye out. These plays are going to go 30 and 30, or the possibility that they will. And sure enough, We triggered here at 441.07, and we hit our first target at 440.83. And guys, if you want to take your profits at that target, if you've only got a few contracts, I'm okay with you guys pulling your money here, okay? And you're up 15, 20, 30%, take it. If you want to leave it in and make this target your stop loss, by all means do that, and you're good. You've won, okay? Whether you pull it out here or you make this your stop loss and pull it out here, doesn't matter. Okay, but let's see what happens on the next 30-minute bar. There you go. So you make this your stop loss. And I think actually you would have got stopped out here based on what happened here. Again, I don't know if we go back. I don't want to mess up this video. If we go back onto the 15-minute, yes, so you would have got stopped out in that first 15 minutes on SPY if you would have made this your stop loss. Again, if you put your stop loss up here or right here, then maybe you would have still been in. Or here, depending on where you put your stop loss, I don't know. Maybe you're still in this thing and you get a little bit more profit out of it, okay? That's up to you guys where you want to put your stop losses and whatnot. But again, you could have kept in this thing and you would have made a little bit more money right down here as well as we hit third targets. But it depends where you put your stop loss. Some guys like to put their stop losses way up here and they just wait for that reversal. If it comes back up, then they're out. Or they just stay in the trade. And if you did that, well, you would have been here, 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 and right here at the top of this inside bar is where you would have got stopped out. And I'm glad we're still live trading here during the day right now. There's still 2 hours left in the day. If you're looking at this one, you might say, well, Clark, we have a 2-1-2 reversal, correct? That is absolutely correct. We do have a 2-1-2 reversal. And could you take this? Yes. And if you took it, would you have made money on it? You damn rights you would have. But this hourly is green. This daily is red. So if you want to go against the time frame, you're the trader. You can do what you like. I wouldn't play that, but you can. Okay? And if you would have made money. Okay? But this isn't a true hashtag 30 and 30. Okay? Just because of the time frame. But you would have made money here, okay? So that's the first one. That was SPY. One of the other ones I called out, AMD. Now, because I went back and we just went through the play on SPY, I'm not going to do that on this one. We'll leave the candlesticks where they are, and you'll just have to pretend like the candlesticks in front don't exist, if you know what I mean. Okay. So this one's a little different. Now, this one is different, okay? So we've got, on AMD, we've got a 2-1-2 reversal, okay? So we have a 2 bar, 2 up. We only crossed the high of the previous candle. We have an inside bar, a 1 bar that didn't break the high or the low of the previous candle. And then we've got a 2 down. Okay, so this is another one that I called out with that group on Twitter. Okay, so we have a 2, a 1, and then a 2. So our trigger becomes this inside bar, and that's our reversal right here. On this trigger, we start trending down. And at this point, this is for this hourly bar, but at this point, our day is red, and this is also red. Our hourly bar is also red, okay? So now we have a full 30 and 30 ready to go. We trigger, we hit first targets, and then we hit second targets. And guys, this is not a coincidence. Look, to a T, this wick hits that thing and then reverses back up, okay? So again, you could have taken your profits, had a stop loss, taken your profits, and you would have got stopped out. Or if you want to put your stop loss up here, you still would have been in this trade. And you would have hit here, and then we would have hit third targets to a T. And I don't even know, going back here, We hit, here's the fourth targets, right here, and we hit those as well. Okay, so we hit 4 targets on AMD, and this is probably one of the reasons why Paul likes to play AMD, is because it's liquid. He knows how to play it because he plays it often. He's learned the stock, how it trades, and we get big runs like this. Okay, look at, and what else do you notice here? Broadening formation and back up. Okay, so again, that's another 30 and 30. The other one was a 2-2 reversal. This is a 2-1-2 reversal, and we hit 1, 2, 3, 4 targets. And some of you might still be in this trade because we haven't pushed up past this last candle. Or maybe your stop loss was here and you guys are out. I don't know. Depends where you guys put your stop losses. But AMD was a big winner today, okay? On that 30 and 30 play. So was SPY. Let's go to the next one, QQQ. And we can do these all day, guys. They are all over the place. Okay, they happen all the time. We just have to search them out, sniff them out, and find them. Okay, and if you watch tickers like QQQ, AMD, SPY, NEO, Apple, all of those are super liquid. The bid asks, the spread between them are not a lot. They're pennies, okay? They're easy to get into, easy to get out of, okay? So here's another one. 2 down, then we went 2 up. You could have taken this reversal, but our day was showing red. Our hourly was showing green, okay? So we don't have full time frame on that. What happens is, though, now we have this 2 up, 2 down reversal. And again, I saw this and I called it out. We hit our trigger. The bottom, pretend these candles don't exist right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They don't exist right now. This is the candle that's in play. And we trend down and we hit that trigger, that yellow line of 341.76, and we hit first targets, okay? Could you have taken profits there? You damn well sure could have. Okay, could you have held? Yes, you could have. If you would have made this your stop loss, you would have got stopped out after you crossed it. If you would have made this your stop loss, you would have got stopped out. If you waited for the candle to close above or to cross above here to break the trend, then you still would have been in this play and you would have hit second targets. And I don't believe there were. Your third target was way down. Way down there, which you wouldn't have hit. And again, if you're looking for the break of the candle in the opposite direction before you get out, well, there you would have hit it right there on your second target, okay? And you would have been out of the play. So QQQ was a huge winner. Okay, and the last one we've got here is Microsoft. Mr. Softy, as Rob in the Black would call it, Rob Smith. And here we go again, okay? We have this 2 down and we go 2 up. Could you have taken this as a reversal? Yep, you could have. Could you have made money from here to here? You sure could have. But that's not the reversal we're looking for because we don't have the time frame. Where we get the time frame continuity and this hour goes green, and again, pretend this, these 5 bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 don't exist. Okay, we're only looking from this bar. I'll show you here. Go back in time and let's replay this. Okay, there's your 2 down. There's your 2 up I told you about. And there is your next 2 down. Okay, and I took a picture of this exact photo here and I had it on Twitter, and someone commented, well, this failed, right? Because we didn't hit targets. Yes, we didn't hit targets on the first candle. Okay, but if we go to the next one, the next 30, and this is why we have patience, okay? We didn't reverse anywhere. We didn't cross back above our trigger. You guys should still be in this play on Microsoft, okay? At this point. And look at, we hit first targets. Okay, now you want to take profit there? Good, go ahead and take profit there. You want to make that your stop loss? Great, go ahead and make that your stop loss. You're still in this play. Let's see what happens on the next candle. There you go. You'd still be in this play, okay? If this was your stop loss, you're still in the play. Now, you can now make the top of this candle your stop loss if you choose, or you can leave this first target as your stop loss. It doesn't matter. I would tell you guys if you, and there, you're out on the next candle, okay? So we break up above there, and you're out. I would tell you guys, you should be taking some kind of profit in this range, okay? Between this target and this range, you should be taking profit, okay? I don't want to see you guys leave without profit. And if it runs a little bit more, who cares? You know what? You made 30%, 20%, 40%. Who cares if you didn't make 60? You made 40. That's a great gain. And I'm talking options here. Obviously, if you're playing shares, you're not going to make as much, and definitely not on the downside, because I don't want you guys shorting stocks, okay, unless you know what you're doing. And let's just go in and see what the next candle does just for, and there you go. So we end up reversing all the way back up to the trigger. So stop loss here, doesn't matter. You made money on Microsoft, or at least you should have. So guys, that's 4 plays, and they all happen simultaneously. I'm going to see if I can find it here. Here we go. So I called this out for you guys. I found them, and I let you guys know all you had to do is go check them out and play them. Okay, I said there's a potential for a whole lot of reversals, 2 up and 2 downs on the 30-minute charts right now. Can't list them all. SPY, AMD, QQQ, and Microsoft, and every single one of them hit, guys, okay? So watch for those 30-30s. They are a golden goose. It's a gift that keeps on giving. So watch for them, okay? They happen at the first 30-minute bar of the day. They could happen at the second last 30-minute bar of the day, or the last 30-minute bar of the day. But watch for them. I don't usually trade all the way to the end of the day. I like morning till midday, and then I'm usually done. Okay, but this was basically 30 and 30 part 2. If you liked the video, guys, give me a thumbs up. If you thought the video sucked, well, by all means, give me a thumbs down. Let me know why so I can make them better for you guys in the future. If you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it. I'm trying to grow this channel and help grow the Strat community and the trading community that we're building here, okay? That Rob Smith, the Godfather, has started. Okay, have a good one, guys, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.